Hi, cutie pie Beenie. Beenie's enjoying... Well, first of all, hi, everybody. Beenie and I love you. And he's enjoying eating on my desk here. See? Oh, what a mess of paper towels. I saved the ones I barely use for cleaning up so it saves money. Anyway, there's my cutie. Oh, look at his little owl over there. He likes to eat that chew on the Mt Saint Helen's owl. Look at him, isn't he cute? Look. There. Oh. And I have this pretty piano music on in the background that he loves so much. I love it too. It's so pretty and relaxing. Cutie. There, he says, hello everybody, I'm Beenie. I'm Beenie. Yeah. Oh, okay, BB. Look at his pretty feathers. Aren't you a pretty bird, Beenie? Look at you. Thank you, everybody. All subscribers. Thank you. And Beenie. We'll see you later.